What's up, guys? So I got these Nanlite Pavotube 30Cs. So I set them up outside. I'll show you how I set them up here. So the small one, got the big 4-footer here, and I just use the regular stand. A little dark, sorry. And then I have like an adjustable head here, and then I put the little mount that it comes with onto it. And then on this other one here, I use the actual tripod. So you guys see it standing there, and then it's used the little attachment that it comes with. So the tripod gets better angles, so you can see a little bit of an angle rather than straight. This one's just straight onto a light stand, and this one is a light stand with the adjustable head also. And then I got another little small one here to help light up the car a little bit. That's the other small one there. And then got it in my driveway here. So it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna try some photos and some videos and see how this comes out. Alright, so here I'm shooting on the Canon 1DX Mark II. Looking pretty good. And I get a little shot here, filling this thing up with some soap. So go ahead and push record here. Kind of do it where I'm reaching around. Show the bottle off some. Push record here. Kind of do it where I'm reaching around. Alright guys, we got everything all set up. Got some long exposures going. Got here 10 seconds, f-stop 20, ISO 100. Have the 4-footers, whatever the smaller ones are. And then we have Forza 60 up there. And there's the shot. So that's pretty cool. I'll include it in this video. GoPro can't totally see it. Looks pretty cool there. I'm gonna get a little video now with the new Ronin RS2 and test this bad boy out.